Hi everyone, this is Avinash. Today we'll see how to create the servlet using HTTP servlet class. Last class we've seen how to create the servlet using generic servlet. So today's class we'll see how to create the servlet using HTTP servlet class. Okay, so open the Eclipse IDE, click on File, New, Dynamic Web Project. So I give the project name as HTTP servlet program. Click on next. Click on next. I already told you. Select the checkbox, generate web XML deploy descriptor, and click on finish. So it will create the empty project. Now create the project. Go to the file, new, select the servlet option. Give the file name. So type the package name and type the class name. So I'll type the class name as a demo servlet. Then I'll click on next. So I'll create this HTTP servlet using, you can create using two methods. One is do get, another one is a do post. So first I will create using do post method. So I'll uncheck the do post and select the do get. So I'll create this servlet using do get method. Do get method. So select the do get method and click on finish. So by default the code will generate. You can see here the servlet name is demo servlet and extend. Last program we see extends from generic servlet, but now we are creating a servlet using HTTP servlet. So extends HTTP servlet. Then this is a constructor, and which method I'm using? I'm using a do get method. Do get method always take the two parameters. One is a HTTP request, another one is a HTTP response. HTTP request, I created the object called a request, and HTTP response, I created the object called response. If any errors are there, the servlet exception will and IO exception will handle that. Okay. So by default it will response get writer code will come. So I'll delete this because I want to write my own code. We'll go with the print writer. Okay, so already written a code because to save the time. So I'll just copy that. You can see. I'll just copy this and paste. So print writer, I had to import the package called java.io. So import. And already I explained this print writer and all those things in the last program. So same thing here also. The response. So whatever the response I want to give to the browser, the object I created called response. So response that set content type, it will set the type content type, that is what content you are displaying. I'm displaying a text in the format of HTML. So I created the object for print writer is pw, that is response dot get writer. Using this object pw.print line, so it will print on the screen, but browser will understand only HTML. So I have to start the HTML here, HTML tags, HTML and body tag, and inside the body tag whatever you are writing that will be get displayed on the browser. So pw.println, pw is the object of a print writer dot println. It will print on the screen, but what I want to print on the screen, that you have to write here. Okay, so I'm printing just welcome servlet using http servlet and get method. Okay, so I'll close the body, I'll close the HTML, then whatever the print writer object is there, I'm closing that also. So now we'll see, we'll execute this program. I'll save this program, save all. How to execute? Last class already you've seen how to execute. Same method here also. Right click on a project, that is http servlet program, go to the run as and select the run on server. Click, then which tomcat, select, then click on the next button. So I want to run this http servlet program, so I'll remove this generic window. Configured which project is there, that will be get run, that will be executed. So http servlet program, and click on finish. Do you want to restart? Yes, you can say restart the server. You can see here the server is restarting. And you know the URL, that is demo. So here it is there. We'll see that demo servlet. If you forgot, you can see the name of the servlet, that is URL mapping in a XML file. Type that demo servlet and enter. You can see the output is welcome to the servlet using http servlet and get method. Okay, thank you.